This Gotham steel non-stick frying pan is like a superhero in your kitchen. It boasts a 12.5-inch surface. This provides ample space for cooking breakfast for the whole family. The ceramic non-stick coating acts like a slippery slide. Food releases easily, and cleanup becomes a breeze. You can cook eggs, pancakes, and even UOOU of chicken without worrying about them sticking. Plus, this Gotham steel non-stick frying pan needs little to no oil. This makes your meals healthier. This cooking pan comes equipped with a helper handle. It provides extra convenience and a secure grip when moving the pan. The Stay Cool handle is another thoughtful feature. It remains cool to the touch on the stove. This prevents accidental burns, and it makes cooking safer, especially for busy men. The ultra-durable construction ensures that this Gotham steel non-stick frying pan will be your reliable kitchen companion for many months. It is also dishwasher safe. This adds to the convenience after a long day of cooking. Moreover, this frying pan is oven safe. This expands your cooking possibilities beyond the stovetop. You can start a dish on the stove and finish it in the oven without switching pans. The 100% non-toxic materials give you peace of mind. You can cook for your loved ones without any concerns about harmful chemicals. While there is no Wi-Fi connection or built-in data, the performance and convenience of this Gotham steel non-stick frying pan make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. It's a simple yet effective tool for everyday cooking. Pros: non-stick, ceramic, long-lasting, helper handle, stay cool handle, ultra-durable. Dishwasher safe, oven safe, non-toxic, large 12.5-inch. Cons: scorches at high heat, needs oil, butter, coating wears fast, handle can get hot, uneven heating, poor quality, food sticks easily, hard to clean. Features: non-stick 12.5-inch, ceramic, long-lasting, helper handle, stay cool handle, ultra-durable. Dishwasher safe, oven safe, non-toxic. The Gotham steel 12.5-inch frying pan has a non-stick ceramic surface, so food should slide off easily. It's made to last a long time and has an extra handle to help you carry it. The main handle stays cool when you're cooking. This pan is very strong and can go in the dishwasher to be cleaned or in the oven for baking. It's also made with materials that are not toxic, which means they are safe to cook with. This Gotham steel 12.5-inch frying pan is advertised as a non-stick ceramic pan with a helper handle and a stay cool handle, promising ultra durability, dishwasher and oven safety, and a non-toxic cooking surface. However, it has several drawbacks, including a tendency to scorch at high heat and the necessity of oil or butter for cooking. Some users report that the non-stick coating wears off quickly, the handle can get hot, and the pan heats unevenly, leading to food sticking and making it hard to clean, suggesting overall poor quality.